Hello, welcome to Python code series. In this video, I'm going to discuss a program to calculate the sum of first 10 natural number. So for first writing the program, let us understand the algorithm. So for adding natural numbers, we need natural numbers. So we have to start with 1 because natural numbers start from 1. And to get the next natural number, I have to add 1. So 1, I have the first natural number, then I will add 1 to it, I will get 2, then I will add again 1 to it, I will get 3. So in this way I will generate the natural numbers. And since we have to calculate the sum only for the first natural number, so there should also be a counter which counts the natural numbers. So if I get the 10 natural numbers, first 10 natural numbers, I have to terminate the process. So let's write a program. So this is my counter or the natural number which will provide me the natural number for addition, also count the numbers. So my CTR is equals to 1 and this is sum equal to 0. This is my dummy variable or on which I will add the generated natural numbers. So I am using here the while loop. While loop is actually a conditional loop. It works on a condition. So this is a condition. So until my counter is less than equal to 10, this loop will run. This content of this loop will run. This is the block of the while loop. So my CTR is 1. 1 is less than equal to 10. This is true. So sum equals to sum plus CTR. So sum is 0, 0 plus. So in first iteration, when CTR is equals to 1, 0 plus 1 equals to 1. So my sum value will modify to 1. This will be my modified value of sum, variable sum. Now in the second, this is my second statement of this block. So this is actually resembles, this is equivalent to CTR equals to CTR plus 1. Now CTR was 1. Now it will modify to, it will give an increment of 1. So it will become 2. My new value of CTR will be 2. So here I'm actually generating the next natural number, which is 2. Now it will transfer the control to this condition again. Now 2 less than equal to 10. This condition is true. This will work. So 1, which is value of sum, plus 2, which is value of CTR, equals to 3. So sum value will become 3. So my CTR, it will come to the next statement. CTR will become 3. So it will go to this condition. So this keep on going until, so let's see the 10th iteration. So when CTR will take value 10. So when CTR is equals to 10, so 10 is less than equal to 10, true. So sum equals to 45 plus 10 equals to 55. My sum value will be 55. Now CTR equals to, so CTR will become, it was 10, so it will get an increment of 1, it will become 11. Now it will go to this condition. Now 11 less than equal to 10, this is false. So this will not work. This block will not work. So this loop will get terminated and I will get to the last statement, which is print statement. So this will print the sum. So sum is 10. So output will be sum is 10. Oh, sum is 55. 55. Okay, thanks.